men that cook in the area choose a charity, and everyone that comes in with a $20 entry ticket gets a lot of food, and then they present that entry ticket to the cooking team that represents one of 15 charities that are local charities in the lake area.
Okay, perfect.
Yes, ma'am.
$1,500 for a cheer, a vintage bike.
We're raising money for the Huntersville.
All right, we're doing a beef and lamb kofta kebab served with toon sauce, which is a garlic paste sauce, and a tomato and cucumber relish.
You go for it.
On top of the meat, yeah. Into the communities. So grab your tea, water. So how do you find your
It's a great shirt. Thank you. We're almost down one chili figure. I know. Yeah. It's going fast.